Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok uploading problem. If you have any problem with the upload, this tutorial is going to help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to go into TikTok and then click on this option right here as you can see, and then go here to the internal storage, click on clear cache and also click on clear data, and this will be deleted, includes files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Click on delete, and after that go back, click on the data usage here, make sure that all those options are enabled, go back again, click on the permissions and make sure that all those permissions are enabled, especially the storage permission. After you finish, now the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you may have to try to update your app into the latest version or just check your network. Don't forget to like, subscribe.